Dragonflies. Wonderful dragonflies love to buzz around on hot days. They are some of the most colorful insects in the world. Their long bodies come in a variety of colors: red, green and yellow, and even blue. Dragonflies are super quick. They are among the fastest insects. So, we'll need to slow everything down to see their 4 fantastic see-through wings in motion. Large bobble eyes make dragonflies surprisingly cute too. Their large eyes are actually lots and lots of little ones. That means they can see in every direction. Like all insects, dragonflies have 6 legs, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Did you know that dragonflies are carnivores? They eat other smaller insects like flies, cicadas, and other smaller dragonflies. And it's good luck if one lands on your head. What other animals would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe.